Welcome to the School of Law, where legal education meets excellence. Our commitment to providing a world-class learning experience with integrity sets us apart. Let's explore the unique offerings that make Manav Rachna your ideal destination for pursuing a legal education. At the heart of our academic diligence is our advisory board, founded by the former Chief Justice of India. Comprising justices from the Supreme Court, High Courts, senior advocates and legal luminaries, this board ensures that our programs maintain the highest standards. Practical exposure is key to legal education. Our Legal Aid Clinic and Moot Court Committee provide students with hands-on experience and the chance to develop essential advocacy skills. We believe in shaping the future of law. Our Center of Excellence on Alternative Dispute Resolution, inaugurated by former Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, is at the forefront of cutting-edge legal practices. Your access to knowledge knows no bounds. The Sri Ratan Lal Lahoti Law Library boasts an extensive collection and a digital database, allowing you to delve into legal resources from the comfort of your home. Our commitment to research is unwavering. Legal databases and research facilities empower our students to stay ahead in the dynamic field of law. Excellence deserves recognition. The Gold Medal, instituted by Honorable Justice R.C. Lahoti, honors the highest achievers among our students, setting the bar for academic brilliance. Leaders in legal academia guide your journey. Center for Public Policy, Law and Governance, led by former Law Secretary Shri B.K. Malhotra, ensures a curriculum aligned with the evolving legal landscape.
At the School of Law, Manav Rachna University, we train our students with values, knowledge and skills needed for today's legal world. We focus on real-life learning, ethics and social responsibility to help them become strong and independent legal professionals. We also focus on global exposure, practical skills and values that makes our law school different from others. Law is a powerful tool to bring change and help others. To all young professionals, I would say, be passionate, stay curious, and always stand with justice and truth. This world needs honest and smart legal professionals like you.
Opportunities abound with our legal internship and placement cell. From renowned law firms to corporate offices, we connect our students with internships that pave the way for successful careers.
Our law school is a hub for legal learnings where moot court competitions and classroom discussions come together to build our brightest minds. The moment you step in, you'll realize that you are in a place that will mold your legal careers and provide endless opportunities.
Learn from the best. Our faculty includes internationally qualified experts and professionals from the legal industry and courts, ensuring a well-rounded education. At the School of Law, we don't just teach law, we shape legal minds. Explore endless possibilities, embrace practical learning, and step into a future of legal excellence.